So I'm gonna ask my brother here to play something scary. Like a macros. Can you do that? Okay. Mind over matter. These men do not understand that sometimes in life it doesn't matter. Do they understand that I am a graveyard? That I seek something that is not there? That I seek passion that is not there? That I seek something that is lost? Men do not understand that I was lost. Men do not understand that I was found. I was found in the graveyard. My mother left me. She did not understand that I was a purpose, that my future was there. That I held the future with my hands. I held it so that I can kiss it with my lips. But now get my color hard, but I know am I audible? Yes. But they do not understand that sometimes in life you have to fight things that are not there. See, I came with an armyless army to fight the shield that's war. Let me then put my status on. Do they understand that sometimes in life you have to become a slave so that when you're a king in dreamland, all your dreams will become reality? But what happens when reality does not understand who you are? See, I speak with the reflection, doesn't talk to me. I speak with my reflection that responds to me. I think that I'm better than the person that I'm sitting next to. Guess what? I'm sleeping alone. Am I better than the person that I sleep next to? Is my pillow soft enough so that I can lay my thoughts, so that they can become grounded? See, I am a man. A man I am, yet different from the one who said that there'll be light. But sometimes in life become a person. Rose stones can deep the edges of my flesh. Does she know that I'm Prince Charming? If she is blind, can she see that? But they thought that I would cut my hair. If she is deaf, can she hear me saying I dreamt about you? But if she is deaf, will she know that I said this to her? You're beautiful. See, let me then baptize my fingertips so that when I hold my thoughts, all will be pure from sin. Let me then baptize my fingertips so that when I hold my heart, all things will be pure from sin. But if I take out my heart, will then she see that there is something inside? Will then she see that it is beating for her, but she is blind? Mind over matter. Human thoughts try to clash with all that does not matter. See, this world is a slave. The people that live in it are just made. And then we call each other mates. Guess what? We are all inmates. And then we try to mate with our thoughts. Does she know that if she is blind? Does she know that if she is blind? Jack can't bury you so that I can see that you're not ugly. Mind over matter. Sometimes it does not matter. But if you are a human, raise up your hands up high. See, if your dreams do not understand you, will reality understand who you are?